remember this. This is the UGREEN Nexode RG. We reviewed this about a year ago, and when I first saw this, I thought it was peak and it can't get any better than this. I was wrong. Because apparently, UGREEN was working on something, and that is this, and this, and this. So what I have with me are Genshin Impact powered accessories from UGREEN. There are actually 3 of them. This right here is the UGREEN Nexode 65 watt 3-port gallium nitride or GaN charger. Over here you have a 100 watt USB-C to USB-C cable. It's about a meter long. We have a 20,000 milliamp hour UGREEN Nexode 3-port fast charger that goes all the way up to 130 watts. Then the 4th item is a wireless charger, which unfortunately I don't have with me right now. But if you're a fan of Genshin Impact, and particularly this character, Kinish, then you're probably sitting at home going, shut up and take my money. But if you're not a fan of Genshin Impact, then you're probably looking at these accessories and thinking that they look nice, and you might want to consider getting one for yourself or for a friend, loved one, or for someone who is a fan of this game. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a bit more about these products. We're gonna start with this one right here. This is a 65 watt 3-port GaN fast charger. It currently retails for $39.99, but it is on sale for $27.99. In the Philippines, you can get this for around 1,200 pesos. So if you don't care about the aesthetic, you might want to get the non-Genshin Impact branded UGREEN Nexode fast charger instead. It comes with 2 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A port. You can get the maximum power output of 65 watts with 1 USB Type-C device plugged in. However, if you plug more than 1 device, it's going to max out at 45 watts. This means that the remaining 15 watts is going to be split between the USB Type-A port and the other USB Type-C port. Now, what I like about this design is this foldable plug, aside from the fact that it is super compact. If you don't really have any devices that require 100 watts of power, this can serve as your go-to charger for when you're traveling. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't come with a cable, which is where this comes in. So this is about $10 and you can get it on sale for around $7.99. It's a meter in length and it's braided. It's made of really high quality materials and you can see just how strong it is. It supports data transmission of up to 480 Mbps and it has that nice Genshin Impact branding as well as this cable tie. What I like about this is the color. It is very distinct and easy to locate. You're not gonna have a hard time looking for this because it really stands out, but it can work to its detriment because I can imagine this thing getting dirty easily, so you might have to maintain it if you want to keep it looking really nice and brand new. Genshin Impact branded 20,000 milliamp hour power bank from UGREEN. It can pump out a total of 130 watts of power, and there is a non-Genshin Impact branded UGREEN Nexode product with similar specs. However, the functionality and the features are roughly the same. It comes with 2 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A port, and one of the USB Type-C ports supports power output of up to 100 watts. This is the one that you're gonna want to use as your main port if you have devices that support fast charging, and it's easily identifiable by the green colored outlet or port. Now, if you have more than one device, then the remaining 30 watts are going to be split between the 2 remaining ports for 15 watts each. The biggest winner here is the TFT LCD display. There's a nice little animation that comes out when you switch this power bank on and off. But aside from that, it tells you how much charge you have remaining in your power bank, and below that it tells you the wattage at which the devices are charging at, which means if you have devices plugged in, you will be able to tell right away the rate at which it is drawing power. Now there's a second view which you can access by clicking the power button here on the side, and this will show you a detailed graph, a real-time graph of the power output. This would come in handy if you want to monitor the rate at which your devices are charging. However, I realized that there's a timeout. The display turns off after a few seconds. I haven't figured out a way to keep it on, so I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose of having that graph. Another thing that I like are the rubber feet, which allows you to place it on your desk and it's not gonna slip easily. It also prevents the finish and the printout from getting scratched. I also like the fact that this thing comes bundled with a USB to USB cable, although there's just one and it's rather short. I think this is about 1.5 feet, but at least you get one for free. So this thing supposedly retails for $89.99, but it's currently on sale for $69.99. In the Philippines, you can get it for a lot less. I've seen it priced for around 3,000 pesos. And that price is definitely not for everyone, especially if you're in the Philippines. If all you're going to be charging are smartphones or tablets, then there are a lot of affordable power banks to choose from. However, a lot of devices have now shifted to USB Type-C. This includes portable handhelds, gaming consoles, laptops, cameras, and all other devices, including smart watches and Bluetooth headsets. Then there's a big chance that you will be able to make the most out of something like this. This is especially true for gaming laptops like ROG or portable handhelds like the Steam Deck or Legion Go. This also includes the ROG Ally as well as the upcoming Nintendo Switch 2. It supports the popular power standards like PD and QC. So if you need a power bank and you don't necessarily want or need a power bank that also has wireless charging built in, there's a chance that this could be the only power bank that you're gonna need at least for the next 2 to 3 years. So guys, do you have any questions so far about the Genshin Impact Kinish themed accessories from UGREEN? Talk to us in the comment section, and for more videos such as this, head over to Tech Kuya on YouTube. Subscribe to us and we'll see you guys there. Paalam.